Okay, so let's go into our directory, that is venv blog, and let's go into the script directory because we want to activate it. And so okay, let's activate the environment, and let's go back into the directory where our site in Flask is, and let's open Visual Studio Code. Now we have this page here we have created this page in templates, and with Jinja we have inserted this for loop and this if condition. Now we want to do something else. We got this code here, and we wanna take this code and well, let's just duplicate, copy this page, and let's pass it. Let's change the name in template. Okay, now our template will be the basic page with this code that we don't want to repeat in each page of the site. So we are gonna save it like this, and we want to insert the different code of each page that will use this base for its singular page. We want to use block, and then page, and then and block. So here we will have the specific code for each page, while this will be the code for all the pages that will be the base code. So when we will change something here, all the blog will change. Okay, so it's very useful. Let's go back to our home page, and now we will get rid of this and of this. There is the common code of every page, and we will substitute here block page, and at the end block and block in the Jinja style. So another thing that we need to do is to tell to the mainframe here that to the framework that we want to extend the template page, template.html, like written like this. Let's save it. Now we should have the same exact thing, and just to see that, okay, let's start the terminal here. Flask run. There it is. And we can see here in the code that there is not a block page, so there is something wrong. And block. Okay, extends template, block page, and for and if it's all here. It works until here, and for some reason it doesn't show the page. Maybe there is something that is wrong. Block page and block. This is good. And we have block page and block. Perhaps we gotta save this. Yeah, I didn't save the template. Okay, and so it's all working. Now you see we got our page with this style. I've added something to the original code. I added something like in the body margin here, and let's see, let's change something. Maybe we want to make this one coral and this one white for the H3 tags, so we can see that if we change something in a template it will affect everything. Here it is. Okay, the color may be strange. I remember to you that I'm using dark reader. Here it is like it will be in a normal way. Okay, dark reader, I'm not making a sponsor of this. I just use it. And so that's all. That's if now we want to make another page in Roots. Maybe we just have to create our view here and render the template, and we just have to write the code for the content of the page and not the rest. So it is easier than to make changes to our site without having to change every single page, just to change the style. So for now it's everything, and see you next time.